right, we're live here at HRC. If you take a look around, all the courts are empty, but this is okay. We're gonna get through this, guys. We here at the Racket Club, we still have all the takeout orders you ever wanted on the HRC app. We have got fitness training sessions going on online. Please see that as well. And I've got a couple of challenges here for you. As you can tell, I got my Johnny Cash on today, and we are representing HRC. We've got the HRC ball. I've got the 50th year of HRC here. We don't sell HRC underwear yet, folks. All right, so don't try to do that. But here's the challenge. I want everyone to go get your gear. Everyone's in their PJs still, I know. And you've already watched every single 7 seasons of Breaking Bad, 7 seasons of Homeland, because I've done that too. We're done with that. All right, we need things to do. So, I want everybody to go get your HRC gear on. I want you to take a picture of it. You're gonna shoot it online. And we're gonna have a challenge of who's got the most HRC gear. Unfortunately, the pro shop's not open, so you can't come buy any HRC gear, so we're gonna see who's got it. Today, we are starting the HRC Tennis Facebook group. And so you can send all of your videos and pictures to this group so that we can all see the challenges, okay? Whether it's the volley challenges or the HRC Pride Challenge with all of your gear, okay? We're gonna see who can beat me out. We're gonna do a challenge. Come on, follow me for a second. We're gonna do a little challenge. Since this is the 6 feet social distance rule, we're gonna go make your own backboard. It can be your garage, the side of your house. We're gonna use this here, and we're gonna hit volleys. You've got to video yourself hitting volleys and see how many times you can do that, okay? I can't believe I haven't missed yet. But anyway, we're gonna do that. One tip on the volleys is keep that racket head up. Bend the knees, keep the racket head up. Never compensate with the racket head down, okay? Those are called net errors, all right? So get 6 feet away, get your video going, get your kids, get your dogs to videotape you doing this, and we will check back in with y'all. I want everybody to know that we care so much about our HRC family, and we're gonna get through this. Everyone, please stay safe and healthy with your families, and we will catch up with you soon. Go HRC.